confidence cannot be built or boosted in a day. It takes time. So keep working on your self confidence and achieve your goals slowly and steadily. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Very good. It was really an excellent speech by Khadija Shima of grade 5. Thank you, Khadija Shima. And dear friends, we are moving to a very important session of today. We have a guest talk today. He is really a motivational speaker, and other than a motivational speaker, presently he is the principal of Benchmark International School, Tirur, and the newly elected president of CBSE Sahodaya School Complex, Malappuram. I welcome Georgie Paul sir to interact with our students with a few words. Over to Georgie sir. Sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, students. Good morning, teachers. Hope I'm audible to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, I want you to comment there in the chat box. Can you greet me? Good morning. I'm very happy to be with you here because it is such a wonderful assembly. I was feeling like a normal, regular assembly. We used to have it last
Yeah.
year, but unfortunately,
Mhm.
we don't have a physical assembly this year. But this is almost similar to a normal assembly. It's great. I do appreciate the administrative and academic team, parents, and students of MACT Public School. This is the
Okay.
need of the hour. You're doing everything normally, so you don't have any problems with your routines. See, when Corona pandemic was affected the world, everyone was stranded. Abruptly, the schools got closed on 11th March 2020. We all were preparing for the final examination. Suddenly, we got closed. Thereafter, only online classes. Prakhyada guidelines, that is a guidelines issued by NCRT and MHRD that says synchronous platforms to be created for the students. What is synchronous classroom? The synchronous platform is the platform where the interaction is possible. Here I asked you to comment. You gave me immediate quick responses in the chat box. I can see you all, not all, but those who have opened their camera are visible here. And you can see me. This is synchronous platform. This is suggested from classes 1 to 12 by NCRT. But in many schools, no such platforms are open. Still, they are depending the WhatsApp, YouTube to send the classes. They are asynchronous classroom. The difference between synchronous and asynchronous is in a synchronous platform, real-time communication is possible. Whereas in the asynchronous platform, there is no such communication. It's like watching a TV. Like in government schools and all, you know what is there? Or aided schools, they don't have a synchronous platform. That's why BS Warrior, one of the career columnists in India, he said the schools should follow the same way how the CBSE schools are giving the classes for the students, because there is real time communication. The other one is just watching a movie, like, right, as if we're watching a movie, they're just looking at it. There's no communication interaction. Here it is possible for you. That is the advantage to be capitalized. Why? My dear students, my dear teachers, I'll tell you 4 reasons why you should take these online classes very seriously. That will be equal to your offline classes. One thing, there was a study conducted in United States of America. It was on summer slide. Summer slides. You know what is the summer slide? After summer vacation, when the students come back to the classes, they do find it difficult to adjust, because 2 months they don't study anything, right? When they come after this vacation, when they attend a class, they do get very limited, right? And they don't have the pace, speed to understand what the teachers teach. They do struggle to write. They do struggle to sit and concentrate. These are the practical problems students face, teachers face. That is summer slide. Why this was conducted in United States of America? It's only because of one reason. In America, this was too much. You know the reason why? Because in United States of America, they have an extended vacation than other countries. Here in India, we have 2 months. There it is more than 2 months. So since more days are without learning, children were finding it difficult to adjust. And there they found out the summer slide through a research in Brooklyn Institute. 3 months learning gap is equal to 14 months learning loss. If 3 months learning gap is equal to 14 months learning loss, it is like 1 year they are not attending the classes. How many months have been gone? See, let's think about that. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February. See, 11 months have gone. It's like 4 years not attending the classes. That problem was resolved by your school management, your teachers, by giving opportunities to interact through virtual platform. Let us appreciate that move. You are an emerging school, an upcoming school, but still everything is provided like a well-established school. It is to be appreciated. Even I know that, since being a person who travels around and meets with the people, I have completed more than 300 online sessions for the teachers in India. That too, virtual platforms. So I do interact with them. I ask them what kind of a learning is provided there. They say we are sending only the recorded classes, videos. But here you're different. You're giving virtual classes, live classes. Very good. It's very good. Let us go ahead with that plan. And I do appreciate you, the management and teachers, for giving this. And I do appreciate the parents and students for accepting this wholeheartedly. The second, there should be routines. See, during those days when you had classes, you used to wake up at time. What was the time? No, morning, early in the morning, right? Then you had your you took bath in time, and you had breakfast in time. You prepared for the class in time, and you traveled in time, and reached your class in time, and you attended classes till evening. Then you went back home, and you had rituals and routines. Am I right? Now that is forgotten. But no, you are ready in front of your camera with well dressed up, you neatly dressed up, and you were ready with your materials, your books and pens and all. You were ready with your news, your thought, your speech, your prayer, your pledge. Great. You have rituals and routines. These rituals and routines have very great impact. Rituals and routines to be followed, because we human beings are known for our rituals and routines. And you follow this. Let us have a timetable. My dear children, your parents are asking you many times, study well, study well, study well. Don't they ask you? Study well. Make a timetable. Follow that timetable. Spend time. Read newspaper every day. Watch TV news every day, not the cartoons and characters. Don't play too much games. Are you playing games in the mobile games? Are you watching too much YouTube? No, you should not watch too much. Your parents advise you not to watch too much time, right? You watch a little bit, not too much. Good children will never do that, because your life is important for us. The third, interaction, the third psychological factor why this online classes to be continued. The first thing I told you, in order to avoid learning loss in the form of summer slide, right? The second, for the rituals and routines. And the third one, for the social connectivity. Human beings are social beings. We are connected with the rest of the world. We want to talk. During our school days, we used to travel with our friends. We used to talk. And when we came to classroom, we had our teachers. We used to talk. When you are at home, you have only very few people there, your parents, and you have siblings, but there you will have very limited vocabulary, very limited thoughts. But when you talk with your friends like this, it's great. And you get a guest most of the days. That is also a good initiative. I have never been to such a morning assembly during this pandemic. I do talk with the teachers and principals, and I do talk with the management team. Every day I'll have 3 or 4 sessions, but this is the first time I'm attending an assembly for the students. Even I haven't attended my assembly in my school since the number is too big. Great. So you have social connectivity. You open up the door for the social connectivity. You connect with the rest of the world and the people. Go ahead with that plan. These are very important. And I have a humble advice, request to my dear children. You are my children, because we all are in the CBSE family, the best syllabus in the world. Am I right? Your parents are doing their best to give you good quality education. That's why you are attending this CBSE education. You know, in IITs, NITs, IISTs, in medical colleges, government medical colleges, all the national level examinations. I have the statistics with me. We don't have time. This is not such an occasion. That's why I don't say in all these CBSE students outshine others. You have the chance to outshine others, and you get everything very well, and you make use of your time. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. So my these are some of the suggestions. You know why I suggest you? Because I'm a principal, I'm a teacher. In addition to that, though you don't know, I'm a teacher trainer. I'm a trainer for Macmillan Publishers, and I'm a trainer for CBSE COEs. I'm taking sessions for Trivandrum region, Chennai region, Delhi East, Dehradun, and Pune. So I do interact with the people in India and abroad. I've been conducting classes for the people outside India as well. With that knowledge, I say, if students are serious in their life, in their academics, right from the beginning of their school life, they'll do miracles. Set some goals for you. What is your goal? What's your ambition? Do you want to be a doctor? Set it now itself. Do you want to be an engineer? Decide it now itself. We will talk later. That time I'll tell you what are the opportunities to become a good doctor, a good engineer from the best institutes, from the most, you know, important, you know, and prestigious institute. There are many other economics. There are many other Indian economic service, Indian civil service, and law courses. There are many examinations conducted for all these professions. For advocate, you need to write CLAT exam or CLE exam. For engineering, you need to write JE exam. And do you want to be a doctor? You need to write NEET exam. And do you want to become a fashion designer? You have NID NEET and such exam. Do you want to go to civil service? I mean, Indian Defense Service, you have National Defense Academy, Naval Academy, you have AFCAT, Air Force Common Admission Test, you have Cadet Entry Scheme, you have Technical Entry Scheme, different examinations are. Do you want to study in Indian Maritime University, IMU? Many examinations are there. All these examinations are skill-based examination, competency-based examination. So not your bookish knowledge and content knowledge that will be important. What is important? The knowledge that you gain from your teachers, from your books, from your environment, from your life, your interaction. This is knowledge that is from your friends as well. So that should be available. So may you be able to develop these skills to face the challenges of the world. You will definitely reap the rewards. Your parents will be happy. Your teachers will be happy. So don't play too much time. Don't spend too much time in front of mobile for playing unnecessarily the games and all. For the online classes, you can attend. You can use your devices. Okay. Don't watch too much cartoons in the TV channels because this will affect you adversely. And don't take too much junk food. Only take that food which is cooked at home or even from the hotel you can take, but not too much junk food. Because if you take too much junk food, you will become restless. If there is too much sugar content or ajinomoto or lead in your body, you will become restless. If you are restless, you will not have attention. If you lose attention, you cannot concentrate. If you don't have the concentration, you cannot study well and prepare for the examination. Am I right? And we have national education policy, and that will also be launched immediately, and everything will be suitable for us for our growth. So I do, once again, I took, I think, a couple of minutes extra. Sorry for that, but it was a great feeling for me in the morning. That's why I talked to you. Thank you, Suhaib sir. Thank you everyone in this IMA school. I'll definitely be there in your campus once because I'm not far away from you. I'm very close, because though I'm working here in Tirur, I'm from Karuvarakunda. Karuvarakunda is not far away because I do travel through Perindalmanna to reach. One day, I'll definitely step into your campus. Thank you very much. And
Okay.
please convey my regards to all your teachers and all your student friends and your parents. Thank you and bye-bye. So, sir, thank you. Thank you very much for that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. One thing, sir. When you ask the students what you want to become in their life,
Yeah.
so many students came in the chat box and they were saying so many things. I want to become doctor, civil servant, like that. So we wish that one day you'll be visiting our campus to interact with our students
Yeah,
regarding the
definitely
same
we
thing.
will, and I'll tell them what has to be done to become doctor,
Sure,
engineer,
sure,
what are the
sure.
courses offered, and all those things. Yeah, pilot, doctor, everything. Yeah, I can see that. Fine. All these, I have solution for you all. If you're ready,
Thank
I'll do that. I'll give you the solution. Are you ready for that? If you are ready, yeah, teacher, there are many opportunities. We'll do that. Okay, fine.
Okay, so over to our staff secretary, Sakina ma'am, for proposing vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all. Actually, I can't express my excitement to see George sir here with us. I'm really happy to meet George sir again because when I worked in Harvest, he used to come there and provide us many kinds of trainings, parental workshops, and trainings for children, teachers, and all. So, sir, I still remember some of your valuable words and inspiring thoughts you have shared with us. I still remember all those words. Actually, our children, our teachers, and our parents are really lucky to meet you here. Okay, so we expect um, more guidance from you because we are the upcoming school, and uh, through our journey, we need your guidance more. So, expecting that, sir. So let me take this opportunity to extend our sincere thanks for being with us and providing your valuable words and advising our children. And I'm sure that our children will cultivate all of your pieces of advice in their life. So thank you so much, sir. And let me take this opportunity to congratulate you, sir, for being elected as the president of Sahodaya School Complex, Malappuram. So congratulations, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Anyway, yeah, happy to meet you here and happy to meet everyone. With your
Thank you.
permission, thank you. Thank you
Thank you
very
all. We'll
much.
be winding up the assembly with the national anthem by Sajja Majid. I request Sajja Majid for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि धरुंगा तव शुभ नाम जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे assembly dispersed.
Okay, thank you all students of grade 5 for conducting a nice assembly today. And thank you Joji sir, Sakina ma'am, and all participants of today's assembly. Wish you a good day. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.